Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to take a look at a handy new Samsung Health widget. I believe this one is pretty new. This one was actually shown off to me via Twitter, taking a look at it. I don't believe I've seen it before. I don't know if it came with this last update that we just got done doing, or maybe there was a Samsung Health update within maybe the last 30 days, and this one was added in. Now here's the thing, it doesn't look like this right away when you first basically add it to your home screen. It's going to look something like this. It's not the best looking thing. It's literally the exact same thing that is on the watch, but you don't have to look at your watch, or maybe you're not wearing the watch currently at that moment in time to take a look at everything. So where you're able to find this is as long as you have the latest version of Samsung Health and everything, you just want to press and hold anywhere on the screen that's empty, and then you tap on widgets. Now inside of widgets, you just want to scroll down. What you're going to find is Samsung Health. Now, once you find Samsung Health, there is 3 options. Now, again, let me know in the comment section below if this is something that you've noticed from before, or maybe they've updated it, maybe they changed it, or maybe this is, again, brand new, but it is brand new for me, and I do actually enjoy it. When you tap on this one here, you can go for the steps and the sleep and everything, but this actually kind of shows everything. This is your entire daily activity. This is your steps. This is your calories. This is your amount of time, being active. You just want to add it to your home screen. And you can see here that it doesn't really look all that pretty. It did move over to my last page. I'm going to place it right here. Now you can move it over one and it'll give you some numbers, but maybe you don't know exactly what those numbers are, even though it does show with those little icons of the pedometer, the time, as well as burned. But if you move it out one more, it'll actually show you pretty much everything, kind of breaking it down. Let's see if it shows even more when it's, So you don't have to go all the way. You can just go right here. So this way, at least you know that those right there are steps, which is the outer green. This is the time because it says 90 minutes. So I just have about like 18 minutes to go. And then right here, calories burned. I burned 308 out of 500. I didn't go to the gym yet today. Everything right here is just from inside my house. It was a very busy day running around everywhere, but it's pretty cool that now just from the display of your phone, you can just see it. It's one of those things that just keeps you mindful. You can put it on the main home screen. So this way, maybe you're just 10 minutes away from hitting the goal. So this way you just go outside real quick, walk around the block, come back in, and you just hit a goal all because of a widget. It's just one of those things that will definitely just keep you, the state of mind of activity. And when you tap on it, it'll just kind of expand it even more. So it's a quicker way of getting into the application. You can see the times of, when I was most active through the day. And then a few other, informations as well. So this one is pretty fun. You'd be able to take a look at. Here's the main Samsung Health. If you just go on back, you can take a look at even every single thing else. But I just wanted to show you this widget because it was brought to my attention. They said it was new. I also don't believe I've ever seen it before. It is one of those things that I do appreciate. So I'm very glad that this one was able to be pointed out. Hopefully this will also benefit you guys as well. Again, it's on my second page. I go to my second page quite a bit because that's where my secure folder is at, and that's where my game launcher is at, and any other articles that I save for later is sitting right here. So yeah, my second page is almost used just as much as my first. So this one's going to be just as effective without, pretty much cluttering my full entire home. But again, hopefully you guys appreciated this video right here. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe at the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my